Tonight I bury old William without remorse, because hell sleeps around and heaven wants a divorce. Tonight I burn my bookshelf to be free, 'cause even a rebel tradition is slavery. Tonight I'd make my madness a birthday cake, because even the insomniacs aren't awake. Tonight I burn my home while Beethoven plays, so tomorrow I can live like I died yesterday. Live like I died yesterday. Today a stampede killed Superman, and Apollo and Dionysus both got hanged. Today the revolution laughed and spit in my face, but all expenses paid, data will take its place. Today the dropouts were smarter than PhDs, as they took off with everyone's cars without the keys. Today I bled failure all the way to the sky, as I grin hopelessly and I sit down to die. And I sit down to die.